welcome to the part 2 of this gun painting. I put 2 more coats on it because there was some like dust and debris and stuff that got on it. Should be done drying by now. And then I got the tape over there and printed out a picture of what I want it to look like. So I'm gonna go and mask it up, and then I'm gonna hang it and then spray it white.
All right, guys, as you can see, the gun is here. Here's the masking tape of different sizes, and here's the picture of reference, so then I know what to go off of. I do have the cylinder out here. I might spray that again. And then I do have this out here. This is the top rail that goes right across there. I may need to respray this, but then once all of this is done and all put together, then I'm going to be clear coating it, so then it won't really scratch or anything, because I'm not going for this old look. I'm going for like a brand new one that you just bought from the shop or whatever.
Now I don't know if this is gonna work or even how well it will, but whoa. It took 2 seconds for you guys, but over an hour and a half for me. All right, is there a glare anywhere? No, okay. It's taped out, it's masked, everything. Everything that isn't masked is gonna be white, obviously. It was a little difficult in certain places, but you know, that's to be expected. It's a complicated shape to mask. So, I mean, this thing feels like it's gonna look pretty sick whenever it's done. I don't have the spades cut out because I'm gonna hand paint those on. Or I don't know, I might just leave it like this and just have a cool black and white Ace of Spades without any spades on it. So, we will get to painting. Well, honestly, I think I covered it all. Gonna have to wait a few coats, but other than that, it's definitely on its way to being finished. Can't wait to take the tape off. Coat 2. All right, guys. I say it's done. And when I say it's done, it is done. So, let us start. You guys are seeing that edge before me. So I don't know if it looks good or, oh, it's a little on this side, but I can touch that up. Getting a little wimby. Okay, honestly, this side looks pretty dope so far. This is obviously going to be cut down for obvious reasons. The entire side is almost done. Ooh! Maybe this will be the unedited. I'll post one of me time-lapsing the tape taking off, and then if people really want it, the 3 people that watch all of my videos, then I will
post the full length thing. So get that, get there. Let's get there. Okay. How long does this come off? This looks clean. Hey, dude. Hey, man. Check that out. That is a surprisingly good paint job. I'm thoroughly impressed with that. Now if I take this, I'm gonna have to re-white this. Slap that on there. Check that out. God, that looks good. What's that? Oh, it's just the shine from it. I mean, if I wanted like a matte color, then I might not need to clear coat this, but I kind of want it to be kind of glossy. So I might. What's even on this? Oh, that can just get washed off. Okay, yeah. I'll slap this on, scrape this off, and then bada bing, bada boom, brand new. There we go. Ooh! 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 That looks good. That looks good. Real good. My. Ah. All right. Hang it up and clear coat it, I guess. All right. I don't know how much of the clear coat's actually going to change the whole outcome of it, but, or like on camera at least. With my Iron Man helmet, it may look pretty decent, so. Huh? Clear coat. Oh, that's it? Yeah. What? You're in the way.
Oh, are you recording it?
Yeah. Did you not see my last one? It had a bunch of time lapses in it of me.
I saw your fail. That is clean.
I decided.
Is that what it looks like in game, or is that just?
They have spades on it. Like on the grips, there's a spade.
Right.
I didn't want to.
So just.
I know no wanna. All right. After that dries, all I think there is left to do is to stare at it. It's shattered. No, I'm joking. Here's the final result. All in all, I didn't want to do the spades. Those seemed like they were going to be a little too tedious. But, however, it does look really freaking cool. This hammer moves. Trigger goes doodaloo. With enough persuasion, this cylinder can come down. Can't really spin all too well, but if you put it in, I'm not going to be able to find the spin point. There's a point at it where it gets stuck and it can just spin freely and stuff. But hey, it turned out really nice. I'm kind of a little upset that I put this off for so long, but I wouldn't have made this video if I did it right whenever I printed it. So hey, I guess there is a plus out of this. I also get a cool handgun that I can make a really insane thumbnail with. It's but yeah, that's the finished product. I really enjoyed making it, really enjoyed painting it. Straight down the barrel. If you guys also like this type of stuff, I'll do it with any major print really. So if you want to see more of it, make sure to like, subscribe,
I have an idea of what I'm doing next, but after that, I'm completely blank. So if you have any cool ideas for props or mechanisms that you want to see next, make sure to leave them in the comments. All in all, I'm really thankful for all of you who made it this far, everybody who's liked and has subscribed. I thank all of you, and this turned out really well. So thank you, and I will see you in the next episode.